Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're gonna walk through how to apply an entry tourist visa for Nepal. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Nepali port website. Here you have an option of entry visa. You need to put your language and country, your passport country. I'm putting everything sample, but you do as per your case. Passport number and we'll verify every detail at least 2 times, not just one. Okay. Full name, first name, middle name, and last name. So do as per your case. Don't do anything that is not required. Haha. Gender, date of birth, occupation, address, put your address, contact number, email, passport details. If you check this one, apply with travel document. So it will ask you to upload the document. If you don't want to upload here, you just need to provide your validity. So it's up to you. Like if I am doing, I'll do it, but it's up to you. Your email address you need to put. You need to check if you have more than one citizenship or passport. You can check this, and it will ask you to provide the other passport too. Okay, and then you're gonna click on proceed. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, now in the next page, it is asking for visa option. How many days visa you need? 15, 30, 90. I go for 30. And it populated the cost USD 50. If I go for 90, 125. If I go for 50, wow. Okay. Address, hotel, wherever you're gonna stay. So provide as per your case. If you have done hotel booking, you have the address and phone number. So if you have a recommendation letter, you can do for this. If you're accompanied by someone like traveling together, then check this. I'm not doing that. Okay. So once you confirm, it's in the next stage, it will ask you to pay the fee and upload documents. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.